Alrighty, so I've got everything I need to do this pumpkin bread. Now I'm on keto, so I won't be eating any of this, but it'll be something a little sweet for my kids for after school, or even if they want to eat it for breakfast one morning, that'll be fine too. But at 26 grams of carbs a serving, I won't read it, but we're gonna make it anyways for the kiddos for after school. And I haven't ever picked up one of these little boxes, so we're gonna see how it goes. Called for 4 eggs, 4 eggs. All right, and then if y'all have seen Facebook, I haven't tried it and I wasn't going to try it on video, but I've seen a couple of things where they said you're supposed to use the can opener this way, I guess. You can come in. I'm making the pumpkin bread recipe. Made your pancakes. I have visitors.
It's cold out there.
Is it cold out?
No.
It says it's cold. Alright. This is the part that I don't like. I don't like all this oil. If I make cake, I've been swapping a lot of it for applesauce, but we're gonna do the oil because it's for them and I'm not eating any. Alright, a half a cup of oil. Alright, this is another topic of discussion between me and my husband. He says you have to use a wet measuring cup. I grew up in a kitchen with my gran. She never used a wet measuring cup, so I never did. So don't tell them I used a dry one to measure that, because they'll be like, oh, man. All right, water.
Put it on the KitchenAid.
Do what?
Put it on the KitchenAid.
Yeah. 1. All right, a cup of water. All right, we're gonna mix this bad boy up. I would use my KitchenAid, but in the dishwasher from making your pancakes. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Do you like the pancakes?
Yeah, they're really good.
They're really good. He says they're good, so he'll be happy at breakfast time. Do what?
Bells.
What'd you say?
It's breakfast.
Oh, breakfast. Are you making fun of my accent?
No, it's just, you know what a meme is?
A meme?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Alright, we're gonna mix this up and I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got this all mixed up and we've sprayed our pans. My child just said that he would like to just sit in front of the TV with the whole bowl of this and eat all of it. Whatever. Alright.
What is the stuff that you drizzle over it?
It is cream cheese icing.
That's not really good.
Another thing I can't have.
Oh, it's still not mixed up with the water.
My spoon. No, hand me my spoon, please. There you go. Some in the pan and some for the mouth. There you go. Alright, it says to cook it for at 350 for until it comes up. So we'll let you know how it tastes, or they will. I won't. Alrighty, so this is the bread, and this is what it looks like coming out of the oven, and it made my house smell so yummy, and I'm not allowed to have any, but that's what it looks like. And then when it cools off, in this little package comes like the cream cheese icing or whatever, so when that cools, we'll put that on. But that's what the bread looks like when it comes out of the oven. Smelling like amazing goodness. And it's all for the husband and the kids. Alright, so this is the finished product of the pumpkin bread in the Libby's kit that I got from Walmart. And it was kid tested and approved, so they'll have a snack when they come home from school. All right, if you like the channel, please hit subscribe and hit the notification. We're gonna try to do something pumpkin spice related for their snack for the week, all of October. Alrighty, see you later. Bye.